How to use Gravity Forms to conduct survey. To get started, you must first install the survey add-on before you can proceed. So go to your WordPress dashboard, choose Forms, then Add-ons from the menu on the left. You have to click on Install after going to Survey add-on page. After that, choose Forms. You must provide the form a name and a description in order to create a new form. But you can also use existing form after it has been installed. So you should definitely fill out a few of the form's basic fields to help you identify your respondents before you start adding survey questions. Depending on the sort of survey you are creating, these fields will differ, but you should at the very least include the name and email fields. So let's add a name and email field here. Then add a survey field. Here, in the blank field under survey question, type your question. After that, select the type of survey question you want to use next under survey field type. You can select any survey field type in the survey fields, columns, choices section. And then to add or remove options, just click on the plus or remove it or drag it. Look through the advanced and appearance at the top of the field editor before completing it. You can also activate the conditional logic. So just like the rest of Gravity Form fields, you will need to add a new survey field for every new survey questions. And then once you're done, you can save the form and view the form. That's all. Thank you for watching.